Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are hale and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 5 on the topic Broad Question from Chapter 1. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 1 Broad Question. Today's lecture is 4 and homework number is also 4. Students, please take your writing elements. We are going to discuss about broad question 1, 2, 3 from chapter 1. You have to pick the answer in your copy. So let's start. Students, in our earlier class, we have done short question from chapter 1 and today we will do broad question from the same chapter. Our first question is, how did India contribute to our War of Liberation? So here is the answer. Our neighboring country India supported us in many ways throughout the war. They provided food, shelter and medical treatment to Bengali refugees in India. They also contributed military force to fight on behalf of Bangladesh in Operation Jackpot. A combined military force was formed under Lieutenant General Arora on 21st November 1971. It was called Mitra Bahini. With the effort of Mukti Bahini and Mitra Bahini, Pakistan was forced to surrender on 16 December after 9 months war. So you can understand, as you have learned, you have read the text, you know about the contribution of India during our liberation war. They have supported us by giving shelter, providing food, and also they have fought together in Mitra Bahini. And it was Lieutenant General Arora who was the combined military force, chief of combined military force. Now come to question number 2. Who killed our intellectuals? The question is, who killed our intellectuals? Intellectuals means the person of knowledge, who are learned and lot of knowledge. You can write the answer like this. Pakistani armed forces with the help of some Bengali collaborators killed our intellectuals. Most of the people of Bangladesh were in favor of independence, yet some Bengalis joined the opposition. They formed organizations called Shanti Committee, Rajakar, Al-Badr, Al-Shams. So do you know what is the meaning of collaborators? The Bengali person or people who were against our freedom, against our liberation were called collaborators, and they have some organizations called Shakti Committee, Rajakar, Al-Badr, Al-Shams. These traitors took part in killing the intellectuals by giving directions, translating Bangla language and helping the Pakistanis in the destruction. Towards the end of the liberation war, rulers of the Pakistani planned to deprive Bangladesh of many of its intellectuals. Between 10 and 14 December, many professors, doctors, teachers, artists, journalists, and poets were captured and murdered. So it was the plan of Pakistani army who wanted to deprive Bangladesh of many of its intellectuals, and it was our collaborators or traitors who took part in killing our intellectuals by giving directions, translating Bangla language, and they always helped the Pakistani armies to the destruction of our country. Now question number 3, how do we celebrate our Independence Day? Our Independence Day is 26th March. We celebrate this day nationally. The day starts with offering flowers to the National Memorial. People get together there. Different programs are arranged to celebrate the Independence Day. Cultural programs, art competitions, and essay competitions are arranged in schools. We remember the martyrs of the Liberation War and get inspiration to work for the country from the freedom fighters who are still alive. So you know how we celebrate our Independence Day. We do a lot of programs to commemorate our liberation war, to commemorate the martyrs of our liberation era, and also we remember the person of freedom fighters who are still alive. Students, now come to your homework. Your homework will be broad question 1. I'm repeating, your homework will be broad question 1. That means question number 1. How did India contribute to our war of liberation? Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.